Welcome to Digital Dropshipping Mastery. Now, before we dive deep into my strategies throughout this entire curriculum and showing you exactly how to start your own digital dropshipping business, I first just wanted to go over the business model here with you so you can understand it and know what your objective should be moving forward. So without further ado, let's hop onto my computer. So here on my screen, there are two very important data points. One is that e-learning sales reached over $253 billion in 2021, and e-commerce as a whole reaching close to $5 trillion with a T dollars in 2021. And I'm telling you this for two reasons. Number one is because e-commerce is the method that we're actually using to build these businesses. We are selling things on the internet. And number two is because the most profitable digital products fall under the e-learning categories in these four niches: health, wealth, relationships, and happiness. Now, there are infinite sub-niches under each of these, which we're going to be getting into here throughout this curriculum on how you can create valuable products under each one of these and sell them as profitable products online. And this right here is the typical physical product dropshipping business model that you may have heard of or even tried to do before. And I'm not going to completely hate on it because I have done it in the past. That's how I started my first online e-commerce business. But the reality of it is that you can't really get too far without encountering a lot of issues. So for an example here, I put this phone case. So let's say we were going to dropship this product from overseas, and from our supplier, it's going to cost us $5 shipped. And we could list it on our store for something like $15. And with that, there is a 66% gross profit margin. So a gross profit margin is just essentially the profit margin before any type of fees, ad spend, etc. And some of the biggest reasons why I stopped dropshipping physical products from China and why I don't like doing it is because of, one, the long shipping times. That's probably the biggest factor, especially right now in the world with all the havoc and delays and lots of things. For Adobe Lightroom, which allows for us to have a much lower